You're on.
What's up, dude or lady who tuned in to watch this video? We hope it saves you some time and money. So if you got the FlashForge Adventure 3 Lighter Pro, you probably feel the way I do. That's an amazing printer, prints every time, most of the time. But are you mad with having to spend extra money on those ½ kilogram spools? I was. So after spending hours and hours and trying to get 1 kilogram spools to work and looking online, we finally perfected it. Stay tuned, we'll show you how to do it yourself. So we're printing a giant moon. I intend to make a moon lamp. Shout out to, I'm gonna have to insert whoever the dude's file was here. So we got this file from Thingiverse, blew it up to the maximum possible print dimensions of the FlashForge. I'm not sure what that is right now, but it's taking up the whole plate. So we have a lot of filament, and this print has been going for over 60 hours. Probably have a good 8 or 12 hours left. The good news is it's been off of one spool. I haven't had to replace it. It's just been constantly going past 60 without any user intervention. Should I say no?
Sure.
Alright, so here's how we accomplished using these 1 kilogram spools. Is we simply place it on one of these devices, available cheaply on Amazon. I am not getting paid by them, but I figured I'd share this tip with you. So each of these bearings moves freely and can be adjustable for different filament spool widths. And then we just simply lead it straight up into the Bolden extruder and we get a good print. So I did most of this print actually with having the door open, but right before making this video, like immediately before, we actually drilled a hole here, just making sure that the filament doesn't catch, to kind of keep some of the thermodynamics a little better for the print. This was a PLA, printing at 230 with a 50-degree Celsius bed, but it cleans it up a little bit too for your workshop or bench and keeps stuff out of the machine. That's all I want to say. Good time, cowboy Casanova.